Grand Rising Arisers.
I used to feel so devastated. At times I thought we never make it. But now we on our way to greatness. And all that ever took was patience. Okay.
What's going on, you guys? So today I really don't have much planned, but let me let you in on a little bit of secret. I was actually a little bit too excited to vlog today because, as you can see, your girl got a new intro going on. You put the pudding in the pudding pop. Really not much going on today, so let's just hope for an exciting turn of events. However, I do got things to do. I gotta go and take care of the animals. I do need to stop by Target, and I do also need to stop by Best Buy. You guys, I am livid with my hard drive right now. It is like ridiculous. Like, it's not coming up on my laptop, and I need to transfer files so I can continue vlogging and have more space on my chips. So anyways, this is the fit of the day. If you guys have seen the try-on haul, which released today, then you already know this fit. Well, this shirt was in another try-on haul prior, but you guys get what I'm saying. Anyways, let's get out of here. Yeah, it's a little cool out here today, but I'm dressed pretty well though, because it's not horrible to me. Now, whenever this wind keep going, that's a different story. Ooh, ooh. Yeah, see that wind going, boy. I just want to be the first to say how much of an idiot I was for not wearing a scarf. First of all, I just want to say that Buffalo Wild Wings is calling my name. Alright, we have made it in Target. I have a feeling. Yo, look! They got them right here! Right in front. I literally just walked in here from the front. Are they on sale? Oh, nah, they ain't on sale. Mother freaking $17. I should have known. I'm telling y'all right now, these things with the wheels is a saver underneath the bed. Since this is in the front, it's gonna be the last thing I get. Man, come on, man. Daggum escalators and crap. Not freaking working all the time. Is she working? Excuse me, ma'am.
You gotta walk into the
Do you know where the mops are? Downstairs? You gotta be kidding me. It's gonna be real with y'all. I do not need to be in Target right now. Last time I was in Target and the time before that, spending way more than what I needed to spend. You got the Valentine's section. Boy. Well, I don't have anybody to worry about getting a Valentine's for. That is okay with me. See this section I'm in right now? All of these are freaking snacks. This is another section that do not need to be in at all. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. This don't make no sense. Ooh, you know what? 2 for $6? What? And Taki's coming out with all kind of flavors now. Ooh, no. I'm about to see you guys on a ride down the cart escalator. That's a big time that it blurred like that. Right place right now. You guys, my life is in my agenda. I finally found the agendas. Does anybody else uses agendas? I know it's kind of like an older thing to do since this generation doesn't really write like that. Everything is all digital and in the phone. Thick as a Bible. I don't want none of this thick. Sometimes they be so extra, like they be like $25, $30. I'm like, man, who really trying to keep up with their life like that? Come on now. First of all, let's just talk about how ashy my hand is right now. Look like a chalkboard is on my hands. Like, it's crazy. Look at that. Look how white that is. That's not the exposure being too high. What? I didn't even know you worked here.
Oh, now you do.
I didn't even, I didn't pay attention to this Target security on your shirt.
So you're not observing very well.
I am. It's just that my mind is like a different place right now.
Where your mind at, Joe? Where your mind is at?
Right now, I need to get out of here and go to Best Buy. And my phone dead.
And you're not too bad. You're looking good too.
I appreciate it.
Well, since your ex fucked up, I'm gonna holler at you.
No.
Let you know right now.
No.
Whenever you need some time, you need some emotional stress relief, or you need some emotional support, holler at me.
Are you serious?
I'm dead ass serious. I don't
It
like
is.
you, man.
It is.
I could just be emotional support. You ever heard of dog with the emotional supports? Yeah. I'm gonna get me a shirt with it.
Have you ever heard of dogs with emotional support?
Yeah, you know you be having dogs with emotional support.
Yeah, you have
You know what I'm
tripped me out
talking
today.
about. Huh?
You have tripped me out today.
Really?
Yes.
At least I got you out. Whatever depression or whatever mood you was in.
Oh, I'm
before.
never depressed.
You better now?
Never that.
That's me. So you have my number. You don't like
I
Who the
just
fuck
plugged.
is this?
I just plugged in my phone because it's dead right now.
Oh,
You are something else. You are something else.
What does that mean? You are something
You a
else.
character. That's what that
I'm
means.
a character.
Yes.
What do you mean by this?
Oh, heck, I'm having to hit this now.
Yeah. Take it off. Yes, take it off. I'll strip too. Let's get it. One, up.
What? You know what?
Listen, I ain't ashamed.
Yo, I stripped too. Listen, don't test me now, cause
You just talking about tears.
don't test me.
I could test you. Yo, you can turn me out whenever I turn you out. Whenever
It
you're
ain't.
ready.
Yeah, you know
I
what?
wanna
Let
be
me
able
get
to
out this
turn out,
aisle.
girl. I'll turn you out, girl. I'm telling you. I'm a problem. I'm very addictive. I'm like weed. You take a dose of this, you get hooked on
Yo, I
phonics.
cannot. I cannot right now. I cannot with you.
You get hooked on phonics.
What else do I need to get?
I
'Cause
don't
you-
know what you was supposed to be getting, but I don't know what you was getting.
A mop agenda and oh man, this right, the storage bins is in the front. Are you on break or something?
I'm damn sure clocking the hell out. I'm leaving this place. I'm gone. I'm blessed with it.
You do too. I don't even know. You gotta get out of there. I am just outdone right now. I am like I don't even know. What's going on with Target employees? What the world was all that about? Y'all, I had to take my jacket off because I was being so hot. Check this out. I just OD'd like in Target. See this? And I got this mop right here. I'm so mad about this because I don't have a car. It's ridiculous. And I gotta carry all this stuff to the house. Let me tell you, on top of this, I literally have a performance at 6 o'clock. It's probably like 5:45 right now. I can't deal with Target employees. Y'all wildin'. Y'all are wildin'. Hurry up and get to this house. My hair looking everywhere right now.
You can help my daughter out with a donation.
I'm sorry.
What you YouTubing?
Yeah.
Can I say hi to her? How you doing? She's beautiful.
Thank you so much. Dude, it's cold. Ooh, ooh. Hurry up, make it to the train station. Oh, this is crazy. Why did I do myself like this? Why is it so packed down here? It must be a game. It gotta be a game.
Set his own and poppin'. Set his own and poppin'. Better stop playing with that young boy. Valid.
You have made that possibility. We can take that step to see if this is really gonna be. All you gotta do is say yes. What is up, you guys? First of all, is this exposure is too high? Boom, that's better. So right now, as you can see, I'm not in my room, not in my house. I am actually at a hotel. This is the same day. It's crazy. I didn't even know I was going to be in a hotel, to be honest with you, but I am. So really quick, going to give you a room tour before I go to bed because as you can probably tell, I'm sleepy. I'm tired. Just got through performing actually here at Hotel RL, which is what this room tour is going to be about. So whenever you guys are wanting to stay at a hotel in Baltimore, Washington, D.C., and Brooklyn, New York, Hotel RL, you know that I've been to all three of those, and you can go back and see the room tour. So this is where you walk in from the door here, and this is actually the shower, but you do not go in this way. And we're going to start here at the bathroom. So this is when you first walk in. You have a big, beautiful mirror here. You have the sink right here. You have a shelf here underneath. There's my brush. This toilet, towels. I love this towel rack actually. This will come in wonderful handy at my house. And then here's the shower. You guys know, if you've seen my other ones, I love how the glass goes to the ceiling. Gonna come out of this bathroom. We're gonna walk into the main room. This room has 2 beds. The other Hotel RL in Baltimore has these kind of murals, so they're pretty dope. My stuff on there. Got my Vicky's Secret PJs. Oh yeah, you girl better get in those. They got your breakfast table here, or you know, your work table. I love this bench. And they have hooks, which I really, really love. They have these baskets here, which I really do not know what they are used for. But plenty of hooks, you guys. Matter of fact, let me turn on the light. Okay, so it turns on the lights there, as you can see, to go to hooks. And there's the other light down there. So this is really, really nice. Very quaint. You got your hangers, you got your ironing board, and your iron. I don't know if you guys say iron or iron. That's so funny. Well, that's the window to the outside, and that is pretty much it for this room. It's not really that much as it is in the other ones. However, it is really cute. I love the style of it. It's like a ship deck, you know, kind of feel, like you're on a dock kind of feel. So I actually just finished doing some editing. I still have more editing to go. Yeah, you girl about to lay it down. I done had a full day today. Hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Don't forget to subscribe if you are not a part of the Ariser fam. Don't forget to press that notification bell so you can be the first ones to receive a notification when I upload a video. Don't forget to like this video, and also don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Twitter at ARYE Harmony. You guys know I'm too tired. I had to even double think how to spell my name. That's ridiculous. Today has surely been an interesting day. Make sure you guys comment down below what you thought about this vlog and what you thought about today, because it was something else. I just don't even know. Like, I feel like the Lord has something up his sleeve, like trying to be funny with the things that went on today. Anyways, I love you guys. Have a great night, and I will see you into the next vlog.
Breathing, searching, touching, wanting, beating. My heart beats for you. Warming, cooling, heating. Temperature is burning in this room. We be coming back and forth.